everyone, welcome back to class. Okay, all are well here? You want to do your class? Okay, let's start class. Which chapter we are doing? Average. Which chapter? Average, no? So I have told you how to take out the average. Yes, and formula also I have told you last class how you will take out the average. So average equal to what formula I have told you? Average equal to total number of quantity and total number and number of things. Understood? So here one question is given here. What you are seeing in this question? See, read it. Rita collected 36 flowers. How many flowers Rita collected? 36 flowers. Okay. Poonam collected 38 flowers. How many flowers Poonam collected? 38 flowers. Okay. And Ankita collected 40 flowers. Ankita collected how many flowers? 40 flowers. Okay. What was the average number of flower each child collected? What is the average number you have to take? What you are seeing in this question? That three girl is there. The name of one girl is Rita. Another girl is what given here? Poonam, and third one Ankita. What they have done? They have collected some flowers, no? You also collect flowers? Yes. So they collected some flowers. Rita collected how much? 36 flowers. Poonam collected how much flower? 38 flowers, and Ankita collected 40 flowers, and you have to take out what? Average of this. So what you will do here? First you will see that total number of flowers. Yes. What you will do? Total number of how many total numbers of flowers are there? How you can take out that one? Equal to 36 plus 38 plus 40. You have to add this 3. You have to add this 3 number. Then you can get the total number of flowers. When you will add, what answer you will get here? What answer you will get? 114. What answer you will get? 114. Yes. What you got here answer? 114. Clear? So, after reading the question, you will see that which one you have to do here. When you read this question, you got that 3 friends are there and they have collected flower. And that flower, now you will take out the total number of flower. So you have taken out the total number of flower. 114 total number of flowers they have taken out. Total number of flower was collected how much? 114. Now what you will do? You will divide this by that one, average equal to total number of flower divided by number of what? Number of children. How many children are there? 3 children. So total number of flower divided by number of children. Understood? So total number of flower, how much it is given? 114 divided by 3. 114 divided by 3. Now you divide this one. What answer you will get when you will divide 114 divided by 3? What answer you will get here? 38 flowers equal to 38 flowers. what you are seeing here? First here, 3 children are there. The name of the first children is Rita, second one is Poonam, and third one is what? Third one, Ankita. And before what they are having? They have collected flower. This one they are having 136, another one 38, and third one 40. Then after that what they have done? After how much they got each one? So you have to take out the average of that. So how you will take out the average? First you will add all this number. So you will get that number 114 you got, and this number you will divide with 3. Why? Because here 3 children are there. So when you will divide with 3, what answer you will get? 38. So each of them will get 38 flower. Understood? So each student will, child will get 38 flower. So what is the answer you got here? 38. What answer you got? 38. It is clear to you all? Okay? Now number 2 question we will do. It is clear? Okay. Second one, I will show you one more question here. And second question, what is that? Number 2. Number 2 question is given here that Vandita sat for 4 exam in school. Her average score is for the 4 exam was 87 marks. What is the total score for 4 exam? Okay, see example 2, it is given. Vandita sat for 4 exams in school. Yes, 4 exam for school. Her average score, for the exam, average score for the exam how much for the average score for the four exam was 87, okay, marks. 87 marks. What was her total score for the 4 exam? Score for the 4 exam. Yes, what you are seeing in this question that Vandita sat for 4 exam in school. Okay, her average score for 4 exam was 87 marks. What was her total score for the 4 exam? So she sat for the 4 exam, yes, and the total score was 87. Now what was the average is the 87 and what was the total score? You have to take out the total score. So here how you will take out here? Number of exam, number of score. Here you have to write that they have given 4 exam. So you can write here average score, average score for the 4 exam. What is the average score for 4 exam? What is the average score for 4 exam? 87. No, what is the average score? 87. What is the average score of 4 exam? 87. Here it is written the average score of 4 exam. So I have written solution started here. The average score of 4 exam is 87. Now next, number of exam, number of exam equal to 4. 4 exam here she has given how many number exam? Total number of 4 exam he has given. She has given, no? So average she got 87. Now what you will take out here? Total score for the 4 exam. Total score for the 4 exam. This one you have to take out total score of 4 exam. So how you will take out the total score of 4 exam here? So equal to average score into number of exam. Average score into number of exam. What was the average score here? 87. And what was the number of exam here? 4. When you will multiply this 87 into 4, what answer you will get here? 348. What answer you will get? 348. So what was the total score for 4 exam? What was the total score for 4 exam? 384. Clear it is? So what you are seeing in this question, that Vandita has given 4 exam. In that exam, her score was, average score is 87. So you have to take out the total score. So here, for taking out the total score, you will multiply the average score into number of exam. When you will multiply, what answer you got here? 348. So this much was the total score for her 4 exam. This much is the total score for her 4 exam. So it is clear to you all? Okay. So today this much only. Again next day I will explain you other topic. This is the answer, no? 348. Okay.